In this 5-part video, Musicradar is teaming up with Steinberg to showcase the AXR4, their premium Thunderbolt 2 audio interface. Fully compatible with any PC, Mac and DAW setup, the AXR4 is equipped with high-end features such as 12 physical inputs, 4 Nutric combo inputs on the front featuring Rupert Neve designed Silk preamps, and 8 TRS line inputs on the rear, 8 physical TRS line outputs, 2 pairs of ADAT I/O doubling as SP diff for 16 additional channels of connectivity, the second also handling AES SPU sub D. Word clock, introducing SSPLL, Steinberg's latest jitter reduction technology, MIDI in and out, 32-bit integer resolution and up to 384 kHz recording and playback, dspMixFX AXR software with 28x24 matrix mixer, latency-free DSP-powered monitoring with Yamaha plugins for real-time monitoring and processing, daisy chaining of up to 3 devices, and Steinberg's Cubase AI DAW, capable of 32-bit integer recording. So, to demonstrate the power and flexibility of the AXR4 in a practical studio scenario, we're going to hook up and record a live studio jam session using a multi-output drum machine and hardware synths, all running in real time. Let's begin with beats. Here, the AXR4 is connected to our iMac via one of the interface's Thunderbolt 2 connections. Then we've got 1/4-inch cables routing individual signals out of our drum machine into the AXR4's inputs. The AXR4's ultra-low latency means that there's no lag when we hit play on the drum machine. You can see the signals playing through Steinberg's dspMixFX AXR DSP virtual mixing software. We can set input levels here, or with the interface's front controls. Our recording software is Steinberg's Cubase Pro 10, although AXR4 works with any PC or Mac-based digital audio workstation. So we've got all the individual channels coming out the TR-8S, going into the AXR4, so we can crack on with mixing later on.
Yeah, we can process each sound separately. We can, using the inbuilt effects on here, which we'll get to later.
Some panning and stuff like that.
Yeah, we can pan things apart, and it just gives you that flexibility of being able to go in on each individual sound rather than having it all coming out of one output. And also, it's going to be recording in pristine quality.
That's the idea. And if we need to chop anything out, we can. So that's all good.
Yeah, that's the other thing for editing the performance as well later. Obviously, it makes life a lot easier. We can go in and edit down our
Cool. All right, let's move on. The AXR4 can operate at a resolution of up to 32-bit integer and up to 384 kHz recording and playback, making it suitable for all recording and studio tasks, from home setups to high-end facilities.